Adding messages, files, and progress notes. Each project and task in 5 p.m. has its own discussion area where you can post messages, files, and progress notes for your team. To post a message or a file to a project or a task, you have to select it first in the left panel. The comment window is at the top of the right panel, Activity tab. You can use text formatting, bullet points, links, and so on. You can even post links to other 5 p.m. tasks into comments. You can easily attach files to your comments. You can also simply drag and drop the files into the right panel to upload them. And you can post images from your clipboard with Ctrl-V, for example, screenshots. Besides attaching files from your computer, you can also link files from the popular cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and so on. You can also link mind maps from SpiderScribe and design screens from Firefly, combining brainstorming and design annotation tools with 5 p.m. project management functionality. The links to those services can be found in this video's description. When replying to another comment, you can also include a quote from it. Messages can be hidden from clients. Also, you can send email notifications to the project team, task team, clients, or specific people. Your teammates can reply to the email notifications from 5 p.m. the same way they reply to any other email, and their reply will be logged back into 5 p.m. as another comment. Check more about email integration in another video. Files can also be added via the Files tab. Only administrators can modify other people's comments. It means a group of people with admin rights can collaborate on the same comments, crossing off each other's bullet points, adding to them, etc. Check more about different user roles in another video. Reporting progress and time. Progress notes are a special type of comment that can contain extra information about the progress made and time spent on a task. Progress notes can be added only to tasks, not projects. Progress notes usage is optional. Your team may simply close finished tasks and not use the progress percentages at all. Teams that do not track time will not need to use progress notes either. The progress note specific fields contain such information as the percentage of the task completion. It is purely for communication purposes, to let teammates know where you are with the task, and the time spent on a task. Either one is optional. You can also post the progress note to a different date instead of the date, time of its posting, allowing you to report hours spent on different days. You can also post comments with your progress note, attach files to it, and send email notifications about it. You can post as many progress notes to a task as you want. The last progress note percentage simply overwrites the overall task completion percentage. Adding a 100% progress note closes a task. You can also simply close a task without any progress notes. The simplest way is by clicking the task icon in front of its name. Progress notes can be a useful way to communicate the progress or the time spent on a task. They can also be added via the time tracking desktop widget. Check more about time tracking in another video. Give it a try and get more done by 5 p.m.